Hello dear students. So today we are continuing the exercise 2.5 till question number 4 we have done in the previous video. So today we will discuss about question number 5. And the question number 5 is asking, write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. So expanded form, the first part is 20.03. So how you will write the expanded form of 20.03? You just count the number of places. Before the decimal, ones and tens. And after the decimal, tenth and hundredth. So how you will write 20.03 in expanded form? It will be equal to 2 multiply tens because it is at tens place plus 0 multiplied 0 multiplied by 1 because 0 is at ones place plus you have 0 at which place? 0 multiplied by 1 by 10, it is at 10th place, plus you have 3 at which place? 1 by 100th place. So this is your fraction form, expanded form. In which form it is? It is your fraction form. Now if you have to write it in decimal form, we can write expanded form in decimal form also. 20.03, it will be equal to 2 into 10, 20, plus 0 into 1, 0, plus 0 into 1 by 10, 0, because when we multiply any number by 0 we will get answer 0 only, plus 3 by 10. This is your fraction form. 3 multiply 1 by 100, you will get 3 by 100. This is again your fraction form. Now see the decimal form. You will write 20 plus 0 plus 0 at 10th place, and then you have plus 0.03. 3 by 100 will be 0.03. So this is your which form? Fraction form, and this is your decimal form. So we have written expanded form in two forms, fraction form and decimal form. So next is 2.03. So before decimal only ones place, and after decimal 10th and 100th. So how you will write this in decimal form and fraction form in expanded form? It will be, this is which form? Decimal form, and next is your fraction form, 3 by 100, because 3 is at which place? 3 is at 100th place. So same here, you can write its expanded form. So its expanded form will be 2 multiply by 100, 200, plus 0 multiply by 10, 0, plus 0 multiply by 1, 0, plus 0 multiply by 1 by 10 because 0 is at 10th place, plus 3 multiply by 1 by 100. So it will be 3 by 100. This is your fraction form. And in decimal form, 200 plus 0 plus 0 plus for the 10th place 0, and then plus for 100th place it will be 0.03. This is the expanded form of part number 3. Now the part number 4. In part number 4, you have before decimal digit at ones place, then you have 10th place 0, 100th place 3, 1000th place 4. So what will be the expanded form of 2.034? 2.034. So this is the fraction form, and in decimal form it will be 2.034. Expanded form in terms of decimal form, it will be 0 at 10th place plus 0.03 at 100th place plus 0.004 at 1000th place. So this will be your answer. So you can cross check your all the answers. Now we have question number 6. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. What we have to write? Place value. Students, you need to understand between place and place value. The place of 2 in this first part. What is the place? Place is ones. What is the place? Place of 2 is equal to, place is ones, but you have to write the place value of 2. Place value of 2. Place value is always equal to the multiplication of face value. Face value and the place. So face value of 2, face value of a digit is digit itself. Face value multiply by place, and the place is ones place. So what will be the place value of 2 here? 2 times 1, 2 only. Now the second part. In second part, you have to tell the place value of 2. So first of all, you see what is the place of 2 here. What is the place of 2 here? Second part, place of 2 here is equal to ones and then tens. So place is tens. So you need to write place value of 2. Place value of 2 will be face value multiplied by place. Place is tens. So what is the place value? Place value will be 20. Your place value is 20 for second part. Now the third part. In third part, what is the place of 2? You see, place of 2 is, what is the place of 2? After decimal, just after decimal. This is which place? 10th place. So place of 2 is equal to 10th. In this question, place of 2 is 10th, and you need to write place value of 2. Place value of 2 will be face value multiplied by place. So face value multiplied by place. Place is 10th place. So you will multiply 2 by 1 by 10 because it is 10th place. So what will be your answer? The place value of 2 is 2 multiplied by 1 by 10 means 2 by 10, or you can write 0.2. This cross check your answers if you have done. Very good. Now fourth part, 9.42. In this question, you have also to tell place value of 2. First of all, you see what is the place of 2. Place of 2 is after decimal. First place you have 10th and second place is 100th. So in part number 4, place of 2. First you need to write place of 2. Here place of 2 is HUNDREDTH, 100th, and you need to write place value of 2. So what you will write? Place value of 2 is equal to face value multiplied by 1 by 100 because it is at which place? 100th place. So what will be your answer if you multiply 2 by 1 by 100? Place value of 2 will be 2 by 100 or 0.02. This will be your answer for fourth part. Now you have the last part, which is the fifth part. In fifth part, you need to write the place of 2. See here, after decimal 2 is at which place? 10th, 100th and then 1000th. So in this question, in this part of this question, place of 2 is, what is the place of 2 in fifth part? Place of 2 is equal to 1000th. Place, right? place value of 2. So this will be equal to 2 multiplied by place. 2 is the face value. A place value is equal to face value multiplied by the place. So what you will get? Your answer will be, you know very well, 2 by 1000, or you can write 0.002. This will be your answer for all the parts of question number 6. Like this you have to do, you have to write these statements. So cross check your answers. We have question number 7. In question number 7, it is asking Dinesh went from place A to place B, from there to place C. A to B, and then he went from B to, and then he went from B to C. A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Ayub went from place A to D, A to D, and then D to C. D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who traveled more and by how much? So to solve this question, first you will solve for Dinesh. Distance traveled by Dinesh. What you will write? Distance traveled by Dinesh. What is the distance traveled by Dinesh? Distance traveled by Dinesh is AB plus AC. Sorry, AB plus BC, because Dinesh went from A to B and then from there to place C, and it is given what is A is 7.5 km from B. So 7.5 km is AB plus B is 12.7 km. So that means total distance traveled by Dinesh. What is the total distance traveled by Dinesh? If you add 7.5 and 12.7, that will be the total distance traveled by Dinesh. So that is equal to 20.2 kilometers. Now next is Ayub. Distance traveled by Ayub. How much is the distance traveled by Ayub? He went from A to D and then D to C. And A to D. D is 9.3 kilometer from A plus. And C is 11.8 kilometer. 11.8 kilometer from D. So if you add, what you will get? 21.1 kilometer. So what you have to tell? You have to find who traveled more. As we can see, the distance traveled by Ayub is 21.1 kilometer and distance traveled by Dinesh is 20.2 kilometer. So who traveled more? Because 21.1 is greater than 20.2 if you compare. So who traveled more? Ayub traveled more. And by how much? To find out by how much, what we will do? We will subtract 20.2 from 21.1. So it will be equal to 0.9 kilometers. So it will be 0.9 kilometer. So what will be your answer? Who traveled more and by how much? Ayub traveled more by 0.9 kilometers. This will be your answer. Now we have to do question number 8. Sham bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. And Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? So what you will do? Shama, first you will add the weight of apples and mangoes bought by Shama, and then 4 kg 800 gram oranges and bananas bought by Sarla. Who bought more fruits? So first of all you will write weight of fruits bought by Shyama. 5 kg 5 kg 300 gram plus 3 kg 250 gram. First of all, we will convert this weight into decimals. How we will write 5 kg and 300 gram in decimals? It will be 5.300 kilogram plus 3 kg 250 gram. 3 plus 250 by 1000, it will become 3.250 kilogram. So if you will add, what you will get? Now weight of fruits bought by Sarla, it is equal to 4 kg 800 gram plus 4 kg 150 gram. So what is the total weight of fruits bought by Sarla? If you will add, first you need to write it in decimal. It will be 4.800 kilogram plus 4.150 kilogram. So if you will add, you get 8.950 kilogram. So who bought more fruits? Sarla bought 8 kilogram 950 gram and Shama bought 8 kilogram 550 gram. So who bought more? As 8.950 is greater than 8.550. So who bought more fruits? Sarla. Sarla bought more fruits. So cross check your answer if you have done this question. Now the last question, question number 9. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? Easiest one, what you will do, you will subtract 28 kilometer from 42.6 kilometer. You have to subtract 28. So how you will write it? 28.0 kilometer. Okay, because 42.6 is given in decimal and 28 is given as a whole number. So how we convert a whole number into decimal? We write decimal 0 after it. So 42.6 minus 28.0, what you will get after subtraction? 14.6 kilometer. That will be your answer. That how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? So 28 kilometer is 14.6 kilometer less than 42.6 kilometer. So it was all about your exercise 1.2. I think you all have understood.